Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA, and let me be honest with you. Karamihan ng mga beginner tingin nila yung dahilan kung bakit hindi sila na-hire ay dahil sa skills nila. Hindi pa ako magaling, kulang pa ako ng experience, baka kailangan ko pa mag-aral. Pero after seeing hundreds and hundreds of beginner journeys, is hindi skills ang main problem nila. Merong isang pattern na nangyayari, and until you break that pattern, kahit gaano ka kagaling, magiging stuck ka pa rin. So if you want to learn what that pattern is, and if you want to be successful being a virtual assistant, then listen to this video then, because I will tell you or I will explain to you what that pattern is para maputol mo yung pattern na yan. So karamihan ng mga beginner, hindi sila nag-fail dahil lang sa isang bagay. They fail in a cycle. Same loop over and over. So, ito yung loop na pinagdadaanan nila. They try something, whatever that is, like a certain strategy on getting a client or something. After trying something, if they don't see any result within the next few days, nagda-doubt sila sa sarili nila or sa strategy na ginagawa nila. After that, what they do is they change direction. So instead of being consistent with one strategy or one thing, they change direction or they change niche or whatever that is. And after changing direction, what they do is they restart and then they try again. So para siyang progress at first, pero actually repetition siya ng confusion. Kaya kahit ilang months ka na nag-a-apply is feeling mo beginner ka pa rin. So now let me explain to you what the pattern is exactly. So step number 1, you get motivated. So baka meron kang pinanood na video or binasa na libro, and then you get motivated. After getting motivated, step number 2 is you try something. So you try a certain strategy to see if it's working. Then step number 3, you don't get fast results. So after trying something, like merong strategy kang sinubukan pero wala kang nakikitang fast results or wala kang nakikitang results after a few hours or a few days, you move on to step number 4. You assume that something is wrong. So dahil merong strategy ka na sinubukan and walang result na nangyayari within the next few days, you automatically assume na merong mali sa ginagawa mo. After that, you move on to step number 5. You change strategy. So, pinapapalitan mo yung strategy mo kasi feeling mo merong mali dun sa previous strategy na ginawa mo. And now you move on to the last step, which is step number 6. You start from zero again. So, because of starting a new strategy or doing a new strategy, is you start from zero again. And then you repeat the same pattern all over again. Ayun yung pattern. Hindi lack of talent or lack of opportunity, but yung constant restarting mo or constant changing of direction mo, yung humihila sa'yo or yung pumipigil sa progress mo. So ano nga ba yung problema sa restarting? So yung problema with restarting is simple. Dahil palit ka ng palit, wala kang natututunan deeply about one thing. Because yung learning about anything or about something, learning only compounds when you stay long enough in one direction. So if you stay long enough in one strategy, one direction, you learn more, you build up that knowledge, and then eventually you become an expert at it. But if every week nag-iiba ka ng focus, like iibahin mo yung style or yung strategy mo when applying, or yung the way mo i-approach yung applications mo or yung volume of applications mo, wala kang nabibuild na momentum sa ganun. Pagpapalit ka ng papalit, hindi ka nakaka-build ng momentum. So, instead na mag-improve ka sa isang bagay, yung nangyayari is nagre-reset yung progress mo and hindi siya build up. Yung resetting kasi is nagkakaroon ka ng feeling na nag-e-effort ka in doing something. Pero yung problem is wala ka nagpo-produce na accumulation of knowledge, accumulation of skills. Especially if, ayun nga, sinabi ko, paiba-iba ka ng direction, paiba-iba ka ng strategy. So no, honestly, hindi nagfe-fail ang mga beginners dahil mga tamad sila. It's because of emotion. Nagpapadala sila sa mga emotion nila, and emotion is a really strong thing. And if you don't learn how to control your own emotion, we know that it will control you at the end. So, it's easy to get persuaded kasi with our emotions. Kaya pag may nararamdaman tayo is we feel the need to change something. So, kapag wala kayong or pag yung mga beginners wala silang nakikitang mga result, ang iniisip nila is baka mali yung ginagawa ko or try ko kaya mag-iba ng strategy or siguro hindi effective yung ginagawa ko. So, ang ginagawa ng mga beginners is tinatakasan nila yung discomfort. Kung ano man yung discomfort na nararamdaman nila, tinatakasan nila yung true change. But every time na nag-change ka, nare-reset yung growth mo. Kaya feeling mo wala kang progress na nagagawa. And ang mangyayari, ang ending is yung cycle is paulit-ulit na lang siya. Uulit-ulitin mo na lang yung cycle na yun and eventually you will give up because wala kang makikitang mga result. Now, here's the difference. Yung mga successful na mga beginners, hindi nila ina-avoid yung pattern. Instead, what they do is they break the pattern. So, paano binibreak ng mga successful beginners yung pattern? They stay longer than their emotions want them to. So, kahit ayaw na ng emotions nila magstay in one direction or one strategy, hindi sila nagpapadala agad sa mga emosyon nila. Hindi sila nagpapalit ng direksyon dahil lang mabagal yung result or dahil lang wala silang nakikitang result. Instead, ang ginagawa nila is first, they refine. So, pinapaganda nila kung ano yung meron na sila. Like, resume, subject title or cover letter na meron sila. They refine it or in short, pinapaganda nila yun. Second, they adjust slightly. So, nag-a-adjust sila ng onti-onti. Hindi sila biglang magbabago na lang ng direction. So, if they feel like something is not working, what they do is they adjust slightly. So, binabago lang nila or ini-improve lang nila slightly kung ano yung meron sila. Especially if it's not, if they feel like it's not working, they don't just change it all together like most beginners do. And third, they repeat the same core actions. So, yung mga core actions like being consistent with your applications, like you have a target volume or target number of applications per day. Let's say meron kang goal ng minimum of 60 applications per day. So that is one of your core action for the day or for your journey. So you repeat it and you be consistent with it. And palagi ko namang sinasabi dito sa mga video ko na pag starting ka pa lang as a VA talaga, yung pinaka-minimum of application na dapat i-submit mo sa isang araw is 60 applications per day and then hindi ka na dapat bumaba doon. Dahil nung nagsisimula ako, ayun din ang ginawa ko. So, instead of asking yourself bakit wala ka pang results, tanungin mo yung sarili mo kung inuulit mo ba yung same pattern ng pagre-restart every time na feeling mo stuck ka? Because most of the time, yung problema is hindi kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Yung problema is how quickly you abandon what you're doing and then restarting something new. Because consistency beats exploration when exploration has no depth. So, pag restart ka lang ng restart and explore ka lang ng explore ng kung ano-anong mga bagay, especially if wala namang debt yung ginagawa mo or wala namang like deep reason, is wala ka talagang maa-achieve and wala kang result na makikita. So just be consistent with one thing. If you really want to make this work or if you really want to be a virtual assistant, be consistent with your strategy. And i-refine mo siya unti-unti. Huwag yung nagre-restart ka agad or nag-change ka ng direction. Because here's the truth. Beginners don't fail because of skills. They fail because of a pattern. A pattern of starting over too early. And once you break that pattern, kahit average pa yung skills mo, mag-i-start yan mag-compound into real results. So baka yung next level ng VA journey mo is hindi bagong strategy. Baka yung next level is staying long enough in one strategy to let it work. Again, ako nga pala ulit, si Socially Awkward VA, and peace out.